UB62 acupuncture point, also known as Shen Mai in Chinese, an extended meridian or extending vessel in English. It is an opening point of the Yang Kiao Mai meridian, one of the Sun Si Miao's 13 ghost points. UB62 is the opening point of the Yang Kiao Mai, a channel associated with movement, yang energy, and regulation of the body's rhythms. This meridian influences the eyes, lateral body, spine, and mind, making UB62 a key point for balancing yang energy, improving agility, and affecting mental states. It is commonly paired with kidney 6, the opening point of Yin Kiao Mai, particularly for insomnia and sleep disturbances. Since the yang Kiao Mai is related to movement and yang regulation, UB62 can support balance and coordination, impacting the spine, back, and head. It is believed to influence the endocrine system, especially when used alongside UB1, which is another important point on yang Kiao Mai. Due to its strong connection to Tai Yang, UB62 also has the ability to expel wind, making it useful for chills, fevers, stiff neck, and headaches. It is especially effective in cases where wind disrupts the body's equilibrium, leading to pain, tension, or neurological symptoms. The bladder divergent channel passes through the heart region, meaning UB62 can have a profound effect on mental and emotional disturbances. It is indicated when heat or wind disturbs the Shen or spirit, leading to mania, depression, epilepsy, or excessive yang energy. This connection to mental health may be why it was classified as one of Sun Si Miao's 13 ghost points, a set of acupuncture points traditionally used for severe emotional and psychological imbalances. The key benefits of this point is that it expels winds and clears heat, helps with fever, chills, headaches, and stiff neck, balances the Yang Kiao Mai meridian, supports movement, flexibility, and body coordination, calms the mind and clears the spirit, useful for emotional disturbances, insomnia, and mania, benefits the eyes, help with redness, swelling, and pain. This point removes obstructions, opens meridians, improves circulation, and relieving tension. It is indicated for mental health, mania, depression, excessive excitement, or emotional instability, sleep issues like insomnia, excessive drowsiness, or disturbed sleep patterns, neurological symptoms which has dizziness, tinnitus, and epilepsy, especially during the daytime. It can act as a pain relief point for stiff neck, headaches, and pain in the lower back, leg, or heel. UB62 can regulate body temperature and wind-related symptoms, hence it can treat fever and chills. It can treat paralysis and motor issues like hemiplegia, eye and mouth deviation, and difficulty stretching upward. UB62 is a powerful point for both physical movement and mental clarity, helping to balance yang energy, relieve pain, and calm the mind. To know the mental, physical, and spiritual aspect of acupuncture points, please read my book Beyond the Meridians. It is available on Amazon in both ebook and paper book form. To know about Chinese organ system imbalances and their homeopathic remedies, please read my book Beyond the Organs, available on Amazon Kindle in ebook form.